Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, いか大根 I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share my favorite daikon recipe, squid and daikon. This is a Japanese traditional homemade dish which is called いか大根. Squid is called いか in Japanese. いか大根 goes perfect with the rice and sake. It's very rich and flavorful. I hope you enjoy delicious いか大根 at your home. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll prepare daikon. This daikon is grown in Chiba Prefecture. It is 300 grams. Firstly, peel the skin. Honestly, this peeling method with a knife is not easy. So it's good to cut daikon into slices first, then peel the skin. The skin of daikon is a little bit thick, the outside of the layer is a bit firm. So please peel the skin thickly. Then cut it into 2 cm slices. Okay, and the last one is a bit thicker than others, so cut it into same thickness. Nice. Then cut it into quarter rounds. This cutting is called ichogiri. Icho means ginkgo. The shape is similar to the leaves of ginkgo. Good. We do mentori in Japanese traditional restaurants. Trim the edge of the pieces shortly to make the look warm and nice. But you don't need to do this process. We don't do mentori at home. Like this. I use them for miso soup. Okay, I've got them. Let's boil them until they become tender. Once the water boils, turn down the heat and boil them for about 25 minutes. Next, this is Hidaka Kombu, which is produced in Hokkaido. I use kombu as a main flavor of the sauce. If you don't have a kombu, it's okay to use instant powder dashi instead of a kombu. I put 200 grams water to rehydrate kombu and let it stand for a while. If you don't use kombu, please skip this process, and if you have kombu, please this process first. 30 minutes later, remove kombu from the water and cut it into thirds. Then tie kombu like this. Good. One more. This kombu gives a flavor to the sauce and it's delicious too. Okay. After that, I'll use this kombu dashi too. Next, I'll prepare squid. This squid is from Aomori Prefecture. Firstly, separate the body, arms, and innards. Put my thumb between innards and squid pan gently. And put the head. Then remove a squid pan. Sorry, it was broken inside of the squid. Please remove it carefully because it's not edible. Then remove the squid ink. Good. Next, cut off the squid liver. Today I don't use it, but some Japanese people love the flavor of squid liver. Trim the head off. We don't eat the head. Turn it like this. And the tips of the squid tentacles are firm. That's why cut them off. Okay, open it like this. And rub the circle with a knife to remove the firm part of the circle. Okay, then cut the arms into 2 to 3 pieces. Good. I wash the inside of the body quickly. Some people wash the squid with sake or salt water, but I'm sure it's okay to wash it with the water. Wipe out the water carefully. Okay. I separate the fin and the body. Use my hands first. then with a knife. The tip of the fin is a bit firm, so remove it. Then cut the fin into pieces. Good. Finally, cut the body into 2 centimeters in towers. If the squid is cooked, they will shrink, so the trick is to cut it into a little bit bigger than one bite. The squid is ready for cooking. 25 minutes later, check it with a bamboo skewer. It goes through easily. The cooking time varies depending on the thickness of daikon and the heat level. Turn off the heat and add the water. Let it cool. Once the daikon is cool, place them on a bamboo strainer to let them dry. This bamboo strainer is made in Niigata Prefecture, Sado Island. It's okay to prepare daikon the day before. These are sauce ingredients, and this is a recipe. At first, I add the sake and mirin to the large pan and heat it for a few minutes to remove the alcohol. 2 minutes later, I add 200 grams kombu dashi and 300 grams water. It's okay to soak kombu in 500 grams water as well. If you don't have kombu, please use 500 grams dashi. Then 5 grams sugar and 30 grams soy sauce and last 10 grams tamari shoyu. If you don't have tamari shoyu, please increase 10 grams soy sauce instead of it. Then add the boiled daikon and kombu. Move daikon and kombu to the first side. I add the squid to the vacant space. Nice. And cook the squid over low heat. If the squid is well cooked, the texture becomes hard. So cook it gradually for about 5 minutes. 4 minutes later, almost, the color of the squid turned white, and the texture became elastic. Remove the squid from the pan. It's quite important to cook the squid properly. Good. And turn up the heat. Once the sauce starts to boil, the foam floats to the surface. Skim off it carefully to make the sauce clear. Okay, simmer daikon for 30 minutes over low heat in the flavorful sauce. 30 minutes later, turn off the heat, and if you have a time, please rest it for a while. If you rest it overnight, please return the squid in the sauce. 1 hour later, reheat the pan. I didn't add the squid yet. If you added squid in the sauce yesterday, please remove it before reheating. Reduce the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes to thicken the sauce. Then make a space in the front side and reheat the squid. Pour the sauce over the squid and warm it up. Have you ever tried Ika Daikon? The flavor of the squid goes well with daikon. Ika Daikon is perfect for Japanese dinner. Once the squid is warm, turn off the heat. Ika Daikon is done. Today I'll arrange it on olive plate. The feature of olive is this green color. Plum blossoms are written in it. It's fun to use a seasonal plate in our daily life. Let's arrange it. I'm sure brown daikon harmonizes with this green plate. Okay, pour the sauce over it. Finally, this is skin of yuzu. I just peel the skin and remove the white pulp and chop it. The aroma of yuzu gives freshness to ika daikon. Chopped green onion is also good. Okay, ika daikon is done. Let's eat it. Itadakimasu. Daikon is soft and rich taste. It absorbs the flavor well, and the squid is tender and tasty. Kombu is also nice, and the sauce is so flavorful. Thank you. Did you enjoy? いか大根 is a Japanese traditional homemade dish, but I guess recently it's not common, especially in city. So I'd like to share the recipe. I hope you enjoy Japanese traditional taste at your home. And yesterday was my channel's second anniversary. I'm so happy to keep sharing Japanese culture to the world. Thank you very much. And I'd like to keep making interesting and informative videos and communicating with you. I hope you enjoy my channel and the Japanese culture. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.